Hi, I am Mithilesh. In this chapter, we're going to look up areas and perimeters related to circles and calculation of area of segment and the section of a circle. We know that the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of a circle and pi is a constant whose value is equal to 3.14. The perimeter of the circle, that is this part along the border, is known as the perimeter of the circle and is equal to 2 pi r. Let's discuss a problem related to its perimeter. Consider a circular ground of diameter 20 meters. Let us consider this as our circular ground, and it is given that diameter is nothing but d is equal to 2 times of r. R is radius. If the cost of fencing is 8 rupees per meter, calculate the cost of fencing the ground. We need to find the perimeter of the ground first. Since the diameter is equal to 20, radius is equal to 10. Therefore, perimeter P of the circle is equal to 2 pi into r, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r, which is 10, which is equal to 8.2 6.28 into 10, which is equal to 62.8 meters. If the cost of fencing is 8 rupees per meter, that is 1 meter is costing us 8 rupees, then how much will 62.8 meters cost us? This is what the question is asking you. Simple cross multiplication. If I consider my unknown as x, then x into 1, x is equal to 62.8 into 8, which is equal to 64.616 to 6 8s are 48 plus 1, 49, which is equal to 492.4 rupees costs us for the fencing of this farm. What do we mean by the sector of a circle? With this point as our center of the circle O, this point AB is known as OAB is known as the sector of a circle. Hence, the area of the sector of a circle is equal to alpha by 360 into pi r square, where this alpha subtends this angle. Alpha by 360, since the total angle here is 360, this part subtended by alpha divided by 360 gives the part which it occupies, this part. Therefore, this part's area becomes alpha by 360 into pi r square. This is nothing but the ratio of some part of the area of a circle. What do you mean by a segment? When ACB is the major arc of the circle and ABD its minor arc. With O as center, when I draw AB as a line, this part is known as a segment of a circle, with ABD as a smaller arc and ACB as a larger arc. How can I calculate its area? Well, it's purely geometrical here. Let me give you a brief idea. If I want area of this part of the circle, how can I calculate it? I need to calculate the area of the whole circle minus the area covered by this part. So hence I construct a triangle over here, bring down my altitude from here, calculate the length of this line, and from here I calculate the rest of this using my sector formula. Remember, in this chapter all you need to do is to analyze the geometry of the shape or the given figure, break it down into pieces and calculate its area or whatever is asked upon you. Let's see it with an example. Let's find the area of a portion excluding the part covered in blue. I need you to exclude this part. the blue color part. Given that the diameter of the circles is equal to 2, how many circles are there with us? 1, 2, and 3. And the length of breadth of the rectangle is equal to 8 into 4. He's talking about the large rectangle over here. So I need to calculate the area excluding the blue part. So my area would become A is equal to area of rectangle, the big rectangle, minus the area of circles, 3 circles, plus area of the two smaller rectangles plus the triangle. I'll represent it with area of rectangle plus area of the triangle. So area of rectangle, the bigger rectangle, is very simple as my dimensions are given as 8 into 4 is equal to 32 minus 3 times the area of the circle. The diameter of the circle is given as 2 meters, so my radius becomes 1 and 3 times pi r square becomes 3 times into pi and r square becomes 1 as r is equal to 1 plus how to find out this area of my rectangle. It is simple. The end point from here to here, the diagonal lies on the radius line, isn't it? Since diameter line, sorry. Since my diameter is 2 over here, isn't this my right angle triangle over here? Applying Pythagoras theorem over here, I get root 2 as one side and root 2 as the other side. If you apply Pythagoras theorem to that, I get my hypotenuse as 2 because root 2 square plus root 2 square gives me a 4 and root over 4 gives me a 2. So I'm perfectly right. Now L into B over here gives me root 2 into root 2, which is a square actually, not a rectangle, which gives me 2. But I have two squares over here, so plus 2 into 2 plus area of triangle. How will I find out the area of my triangle? Area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Since this triangle is inscribed in a circle, it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, if I drop a perpendicular down from here to here, it cuts it at the midpoint. Therefore, the height being equal to the radius, I have the height is equal to 1 and the base equals to the diameter, so it is 2. Therefore, it is half base, that is 2, into height into 1, which is equal to 32 minus 3 pi plus 4 plus 1. Therefore, 32 plus 5 gives me 37 minus 3 pi gives me 3.14 into 3, which is equal to 2, 1, 4 and 9.42, which is equal to 37 minus 9.42 gives me a 0 over here, a 6 borrowed from here, a 9, 8, 9 minus 4, a 5, 2, 16, a 7 over here and a 2. 27.58 is the area of my green colored part excluding the blue part. Isn't this very simple? You just need to follow your geometrics and label your dimensions correctly in order to avoid a mistake. You will come across similar kind of problems in every exercise you do. So always keep in mind the geometry is the simple way of solving such equations or problems. Thank you. Hope you understood.